In a quaint village nestled between the winding Terra and Aqua rivers, two towering sentinels, one vibrant and proud, the other calm and adaptable, caught the eye of the villagers. A wise visitor sought refuge from the dark clouds, but the proud tree, blinded by arrogance, turned away the seeker, unaware of the impending test. The heavens opened up, unleashing a fury upon the land, testing the resolve of the rigid tree and the flexible one in the face of nature's wrath. Defiant against the tempest, the once proud tree refused to yield, its unwavering stance a stark contrast to the graceful dance of its companion in the wind. A dance of survival unfolded as the winds howled and the rain poured, revealing the true strength found in humility and resilience, a lesson witnessed by the villagers. As the storm passed, the aftermath painted a sobering picture of pride's downfall, shattered remnants strewn at the feet of the once unyielding giant. Broken and humbled, the once proud sentinel extended a branch of reconciliation, acknowledging the strength found in humility and the wisdom of adaptation. A silent witness to the unfolding drama, the wise old guardian perched between the reconciling trees, its gaze holding the weight of ages and the promise of wisdom. A bond forged in the crucible of adversity, the once divided trees now stood united, their branches entwined in a testament to the power of humility and resilience. Encircling the emblem of unity, the villagers witnessed the transformation of pride into humility, realizing the profound truth in the harmony of opposites. As the sun emerged from its watery veil, its golden rays bathed the village in a promise of new beginnings, echoing the lesson learned in the embrace of humility and adaptability. In the tranquil embrace of dusk, the village found solace in the silent guardians, Terra and Aqua, united in their shared wisdom, a living testament to the enduring power of humility